Humanoid robots rely on coordinated servo motors and precision reducers. Reducers meet joint requirements through torque amplification and motion precision adjustment. RV reducers achieve high torque via multi-crankshaft designs for heavy load joints. Harmonic drives deliver 0.1 arc-minute accuracy through flex-spline deformation for precision joints. Planetary reducers reach 100 to 1+ reduction ratios with modular designs for dexterous micro-operation. Reducer assembly centers on precision pressing. Inflection point trigger control ensures accurate depth in interference fits. Gearshaft insertion, bearing pressing. Real-time force displacement curve monitoring uses built-in sensors to track force variations and maintain interference tolerance. Standard position compensation ensures assembly consistency, enabling complex motion execution. Scan the QR code on the screen to contact us.